Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the image settings on your AOC monitor in 2025. First, press the menu button on your monitor to open the on-screen display OSD. Use the arrow buttons to navigate the image setup section. Here, you will find options to adjust. Clock fine-tunes the horizontal screen size. Phase reduce screen flickering. Sharpness adjusts the clarity of the display. Edge positions move the screen horizontally. V positions also moves the screen vertically. Adjust these settings to your preference for optimal display qualities. Troubleshooting image setup grayed out. If you find that the image setup option is grayed out or inaccessible, it's likely because you are using a digital connection like HDMI or DisplayPort. These settings are typically unavailable when using an analog connection such as VGA. To access this, try connecting your monitor using a VGA cable. Thanks for watching, and that's it. Now you know how to access and adjust the image settings on your AOC computer. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you next one.